Think growing giant blueberries is all about fertilizer? Think again. The biggest mistake I see people make is planting blueberries in the wrong spot. If you want huge blueberries and heavy harvests, the first thing you need is full sun. Blueberries love sunlight, and the more direct sun they get, the more energy they have to produce bigger, sweeter fruit. But here's something most people don't want to hear: patience matters. The blueberry bushes you're looking at in this video are over 15 years old. They didn't produce mountains of giant blueberries overnight. Healthy established plants simply produce more fruit than younger bushes. Another common mistake is overwatering. Blueberries like consistent moisture, but they don't want to sit in soggy soil. Good drainage is just as important as watering regularly. Mulch is another game changer. A thick layer of mulch helps hold moisture, keeps roots cool during the summer, and reduces weed competition. Less stress on the plant means more energy goes to the growing fruit. And don't forget pruning. Removing older, weak branches helps sunlight and airflow reach the center of the bush, encouraging stronger growth and larger berries. I prune mine at the end of the summer every year. So if you want bigger blueberries, remember these simple tips. Plant in full sun, be patient with young plants, mulch well, water consistently without flooding the roots, and prune when needed. Follow these steps, and one day your bushes could look like this, loaded with giant, juicy blueberries ready for harvest. Trust me, the wait is worth it, and I look forward to it every year. Let me know in the comments how many pounds of blueberries you think these bushes produce in a season.